Hi everyone, this is Raymond. I hope you are doing well. In this video, I'm going to show you an awesome method to make money online just by using quiz. And now let's get started with the first step in our today's method, just by going to one of the most popular affiliate networks out there, like ShareASale, Impact Radius, ClickBank, or Digistore24. And then here you can sign up for free in Digistore24, then opt for this marketplace section where you can find a lot of products to promote. Then here you can find a lot of categories like computer and internet, dance, music, food and drinks, home and garden, and so on and so forth. Then here you have to pick one of the most popular product or the most converting product to get more sales. So for example, we can head to this one, survival category. Then you can find this amazing product that has a high popularity with 5 stars and a great commission, $23 per sale. And of course, Home Dr. Puck gives you a lot of tips and tricks and life hacks to survive without help from any health professional. So now we can promote this product, Home Doctor. Now let's move on to the second step in our today's method, just by going to ChatGPT or one of its alternatives, like this amazing tool, POE.com. And of course, I will leave a link down below in the description box in the first comment that contains the best ChatGPT alternatives, including POE.com. Then here you can go to ChatGPT, and then you can ask this awesome tool to give you a quiz of MCQ or multiple choice questions about the same topic relevant to your product you want to promote, which is Home Doctor. So now we can ask ChatGPT or POE.com, like give me a creative with 4 options and specify the correct answer. Okay, perfect. As you see, okay, so you can find different questions in your quiz about the life hacks to survive at home without help from any health professional or any physician or anyone else. As you see, with 4 options, and it gives you this correct answer as you observe. Perfect. And now we can go together to the third step in our today's method by head over to google.com, and here in the search bar you can type something like quiz maker. Head to this awesome result, quizmaker.com, click over it, where we can generate our quiz about our topic to promote your product smartly. So here you can go to this one, quiz, okay, and select a quiz type and select show a score. Perfect, and add question and multiple choice or MCQ. Perfect, and here we can transfer all these questions with their answers into this quiz we are making now in quizmaker.com. So for example, we can go to ChatGPT and copy this question. For example, what is the first thing you should do if someone is choking? So Control C and go back to Quizmaker, and here you can insert your question here and insert your answers or these 3 options, like hit them on the pack, Control C, and here we go Control 1, and here's the number 2, go perform the Helmish maneuver. Of course, to the correct answer, and go back to Quizmaker, Control V, and the third one, offer them water. And here, as ChatGPT gives its answers, like perform the Helmish maneuver, so this one, so can go there, and you can just correct answer. Okay, perfect. Likewise, you can add your questions with their answers and specify the correct answer. So add question and so on and so forth, multiple choice and so on. Following that, when you're done with your quiz, you make here in quizmaker.com, just you can save your quiz, save quiz. Then here we have got our quiz, so copy the link of this quiz. So now we can test it out in a new browser like this one, for example. Okay, as you see, so answer the first question like this one, so perform and go to next, as you see automatically, and here you can soup and water, and automatically we can take into the third questions in a row, and so on and so forth. Okay, perfect. So now how we can make money from this quiz we have made here on quizmaker.com. Now let's move on to the fourth step in our today's method, just so we can go together to this awesome website that's so called sharecta.com, where you can turn the links you share into sales opportunities. ShareCTA is one of the best overlay message makers out there. So what does it mean by overlay message? By this awesome tool, you can make a banner or a message on a piece of content, whether it is article or a YouTube video, where we can announce and promote a service or product that is relevant and related to this content. So now we can insert the link of our quiz. So you can Control V, as you see, and create your link. Create an overlay message on this amazing quiz we have made on quizmaker.com. And then it's time now to fill all these details to make our overlay message to promote our home doctor book. So now we can insert this logo URL. So here you can insert the logo of your company or you. So we can go together to this awesome websites like publicdomainvectors.org. Here you can find 10,000 of vectors and graphics for free without any copyright. Or this awesome website freesvg.org, as you see. So for example, if we go back to publicdomainvectors.org, here we can look for something that is related to your topic and your home doctor product, like a physician, doctor, some remedies, medicine, and so on. So we can type medicine, for example. Okay, and here we can get one of these beautiful ones like this one, for example. It's awesome icon to download it, as you see. And now we can go together to this amazing website that's so called postimages.org, where we can host images to get links back. So choose image one, and now we can go to the second link, direct link, copy, and go back to our ShareCTA website, and hit insert, Control V, as you see. Perfect. And proceeding, your brand name, like anything like remedology or home doctor, for example, home doctor. Okay, your message and your call to action to motivate audience and followers and anyone who lands over this page or this quiz, if so to speak, he will see this message down below. So we can go back to ChatGPT and ask it to give us a powerful call to action to promote a home doctor book that gives you a lot of tips and tricks and survival hacks. So we can type this one. As you see, give me 3 powerful creative calls to action to promote a home doctor product book that gives you a lot of tips for home remedies and survival at home. And now we can click enter. As you see, like this one, take control of your health from the comfort of your own home. Get your copy of Home Doctor today and discover the secrets of natural home remedies and so on and so forth. Keep yourself and your loved ones safe and healthy with Home Doctor, the ultimate guide to home remedies and survival and the like. Perfect. So now we can copy this one, for example, or you can make it short, make them short as much as possible. Okay, so stay healthy at home, get Home Doctor now. Okay, so we can take this one quickly and Control C and go back to our share CTA, and here you can insert your message to motivate readers to click over this button. And here, get yours, copy, get yours, for example, get your copy, and so on and so forth. And here's a call to action URL, your affiliate link of Home Doctor Book. So we can go back to Digistore 24. Therefore, you can promote this awesome product right now and copy the link of this awesome product and go back to your share CTA. So for example, we can get this one for sales page, for example, copy link address and go back to share CTA. Okay, Control V and so on. Perfect. Now you can create your amazing link. Just a few seconds, here you will find your link ready. So we can copy this amazing one, copy, and let's try that out in a new browser like this one. Okay, Control V. And voila, as you see, your quiz ready for your audience and your followers. And down below you will find this banner or this message to direct them to this awesome Home Doctor Book, as you see. So now we can answer these questions in your amazing quiz. It gives you at the end your score, like 7 out of 10, 8 out of 10, and so on. And there they will find and observe this overlay message or this call to action. So when we click over this get yours, you will be directed to this awesome page of this mind-blowing book, as you see. Perfect. So if anyone purchases this book, you will get $23 at once. So now a good question comes up, where we can promote this amazing link that we got from Share CTA. People always love quizzes to test their information and knowledge experience. So you can share this link everywhere, like for example, Facebook. Yes, Facebook. So you can look for a lot of related groups like home remedies, and you can find a lot of groups. So you can join them and share your quiz link, as you see. Or Pinterest, so here you can make your pin, or you can share your quiz link in Twitter and so on. Therefore, you can get a lot of people and get a big traffic to your landing page or your link, and they will find your overlay message down below. So now you know a mind-blowing method to make money online just by using some quizzes with the help of ChatGPT. And by the way, I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. If you have any question, you can leave in the comment section. See you in the next video.